So, ayan. Have a good day. So, today, um, we're diving into a one most important in building blocks in Python. So, that is the function. So, do you know how, what is function in Python? So, ito. So, ang function is help us to organize. So, organize our code and make it cleaner. So, make it, meron din siya, pwede rin siya maging reviewable and easier to understand if you want to write a code or smarter and faster and more efficient programs. So, you need to master function. So, that is the function. So, here, uh, you've seen the code. So, that is the function code. So, sisimulan ko na mag-explain kung paano siya gumagana. So, bilisan lang natin kasi yung baka maupos yung time natin. So, ayan. So, dito yung mga tanong natin. So, itong mga tanong na to is about kay Jose Rizal. So, ang topic kasi dito is about the life and work of Jose Rizal. So, dito meron siyang questions. So, meron din siyang options kung yung nabigay niyang tanong is uh, pipili ka ng sagot. So, dito magre-rate ka kasi dito is naka-numbering yung pagpipilian mong sagot. So, if you want to choose to number 1 is ito, June 19, 1861 and the rest 2, 3, 4. So, ganun. So, explanation after you done to answer the question. So, ito na yung lalabas dyan. So, ayan. So, gano'n din sa fun fact. So, pare-pares lang naman na to. So, mga tanong na lang to, ibibigay niya. Pero, nagkakaroon siya ng randomly questions. So, dito, kapag nagsiselect siya ng question, so, minsan, kapag tapos na yung mga ibang tanong, nagra-random ulit siya or nag-shuffle ulit yung mga tanong para hindi magkaroon ng paulit-ulit. Ganun. So, dito naman tayo sa check answer. So, sa check answer, so, kapag tapos mo nang nagsagot, ayan, yung sagot mo, check niya if correct yung sagot mo na binigay. So, ayan, parehas lang yan. Chine-check nyo lang yung mga sagot. So, if nagkaroon na ng update or kumbaga nakita niya na kung ano yung tama sagot, sa kanya lang bibigay yung percentage. So, dito na siya. So, if done giving the scores, so meron din siyang ratings dito. So, if you got 90%, so we have excellence, 75% good job, 60% good, and 0 keep learning. So, ayan. So, pare-pares lang naman na to. So, ngayon, sisimulan ko na pagkita ng code, output. So, ito na siya. So, ayan. So, sa Rizal Quiz Game, Papansang Bayani. So, test your knowledge about Philippine National Hero. So, welcome to sa Rizal Quiz Game. So, meron din siyang historical. So, nilagyan ko rin siya para mas maging storyistic. San Jose Rizal, 1861. Ayan. So, dito, born in June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. So, ayan. Then, we have a quote, the man who fears God has nothing else to fear. So, ayan. Meron din tayong kasabihan. So, now, dito pipili lang tayo or kung ilan yung gusto nating itatanong sa atin. So for me, lalagay ko muna is 5. So 5. So starting question. So ayan, ito yung first question niya. So what was the profession of Rizal? So the answer is number 2. So lalagay mo yung number based on numbering here. So gaya ng sabi ko kanina, doon sa mga tanong meron yung number. Pero hindi lang nakalagay kasi meron tayo ditong answer. So ayan, answer. So ayan. Let's enter. Oh. I don't know. Wrong. So ayan. So if you got the correct answer, so meron tayong 1 point. Explanation, yun na pinakita natin kanina, meron siyang explanation. Serizal as uh, ophthalmologist who studied in medicine in Europe. So fun fact, he even performed successfully eye surgeries on 4 patients for free. So ayan. So let's continue. So dito naman tayo. So which university Rizal attend in the Philippines? So answer is number 2. So next. So what was the mother of Rizal? No. Nakalimutan ko to ah. So tingnan natin dito. So Alonso Judora. So number 1. So ayan, correct. So what was the sweetheart inspired? Kalimutan ko rin to. Ang alam ko dito si Josephine. Oh, wrong. Sino yun? Tignan natin. Hanapin natin dito. Lalabas yun eh. Kasi dito yung sagot niya. So, si Leonora. Yan. Hindi. To. Sweetheart. To. So, Leonora Rivera was a childhood sweetheart who inspired Maria Clara. So, yun pala yung sagot. Si Leonora Rivera. Yan. So, ayan, mali tayo ng isa. So, dito naman, what was against execution? What was the charge against Rizal that leads to his execution? Ito, alam ko to. So, ang sagot dito is rebellions and seditions. So, ayan. So, tapos na yung quiz natin. So, we have 80%. So, may mali tayong isa. So, ayan. So, pag nakakakuha naman tayo ng perfect score, ang makukuha naman natin is excellence. So, ayan. So, great job lang tayo kasi hindi tayo mas mataas doon kay 90. So, if less than 75 tayo or greater than 75, so ito lang yung makakuha natin. If less than 90 tayo, ito yung makukuha natin in ratings. So, here asking na naman siya kung gusto mo pang ulit maglaro or not. So if not, just enter no. So ayan. So thank you for playing sa Rizal Ruiz Games. So mabuhay Pilipinas. Salamat sa paggamit ng application, and the glory of my country is glory of sa Rizal. So yun lang. So maraming salamat po sa ating panonood. Kung sa muli, salamat.